Hello WordPress people. So in this video I'm gonna talk about Clone WebEx, which is a Google Chrome extension which clones website to your page builders. For example, Webflow, Elementor, Brick, and Gutenberg. So this service provides this 4 types of plan, where in the free one you will have only Gutenberg and Webflow. If you want to use all the page builders, then you can have this plan and this all of other plan. Also, the clone page won't be responsive in the free version. So yeah, in this video I'm gonna use the free version so that you get an idea of how this service works. So let's click and hit try now. So it is asking us to log in. So I'm gonna log in. Okay, so let me delete this. So I have deleted my existing project and now I'm gonna click on new project, and let's say I wanna give it name BuntyWP, and I'm gonna try to clone the Netflix homepage. So this is the Netflix and I'm gonna use this. So copy this and paste it over here. Create project. Once you create the project, you have to install the extension. So I have already installed the extension and it is displaying over here. And then we have to go to the target web page, which is this. Okay. So we want to clone this page to my WordPress site. Then scroll down to the end of the target web page to make sure all elements have loaded. So I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom. Okay. And then clone the web page. Click on the clone WebEx extension icon located on the top right and choose the project. So I'm gonna click on this button. Now I have the project listed over here. So enable this if a page loads without CSS. So I'm not gonna enable this. Now let's click on add page. So now it is doing something. Okay, so export type, I would say entire page builder. So all of these are paid, so I'm gonna select Gutenberg, and now we have to download and install this plugin to our WordPress site. So plugin is downloaded. This is my local WordPress site and I'm gonna add this plugin to my WordPress site. And let's activate the plugin. Okay. Now automatically upload image icon font. Okay, let's keep everything as it is. Now I'm gonna click on export. Let's allow this. Okay, so it says copied to clipboard. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add a new page over here, and I would say sorry about that, Netflix, and all I have to do is to paste over here. So as you can see, it has added something over here. Let me remove this and I'm gonna add a group over here first. And I will select this. Okay, and content width, I would say full width. wide. Okay. And then let me paste the page here. So yeah, this is something, this is how it is looking like with the Gutenberg. Let's try to publish. So yeah, uh, as this is the free version, so page won't be exactly as it is, but it has somehow you can use as a starting point. And let me try to use element. Well, no, we can't use Elementor because it includes in the paid version. So yeah, um, yeah, this is how the clone WebEx work. Um, if you want to use this, you can use the paid version. Free version, you can just try by yourself how it works, and then you can decide if you want to go with the paid version or not. So yeah, this is the clone WebEx. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.